In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete subscription history from Apple ID. This is a common question among Apple users as managing subscriptions is important for keeping track of spending and preferences. However, it's essential to understand that you cannot manually delete your subscription history from your Apple ID. Apple keeps a record of all active and expired subscriptions for your reference. This means there is currently no option to remove them permanently from your account. Understanding this limitation helps set proper expectations as you navigate your Apple ID. You can, however, manage or cancel subscriptions with ease. To start, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This app is typically found on your home screen and has a gear icon. Once you tap on Settings, you will see a variety of options to customize your device. This step is crucial because it takes you to the central hub for managing your Apple services. Next, tap your name at the top of the Settings menu. Your name represents your Apple ID and will lead you to various account settings. Once you tap on your name, you will see your Apple ID details, including options for iCloud, media, and purchases. This is an important step because it gives you access to manage your subscriptions directly linked to your account. From there, tap on Subscriptions. This option will display a list of all active and expired subscriptions associated with your Apple ID. Here, you can see the services you are currently subscribed to, as well as those you have canceled in the past. This visibility is helpful for managing your expenses and preferences effectively. Now, select the subscription you want to manage. You will see relevant details about the subscription, including renewal dates and payment information. This allows you to make informed decisions about your subscriptions. Once you have selected a subscription, you can see options for managing it. Next up, tap Cancel Subscription if you no longer want it to renew. This action prevents any further charges, ensuring you are not billed unexpectedly. Once you tap this option, you may see a confirmation message. This is essential because it secures your changes and allows you to avoid unwanted renewals. To view your purchase and subscription history, open the App Store. The App Store is where you find and manage all your apps and media. Once inside the App Store, tap your profile picture in the upper right corner. This picture represents your account and gives you access to your account settings. After that, tap Apps and Purchase History, then select Purchase History. This will provide you with a detailed list of all your past purchases, including subscriptions. This feature is great for tracking your spending and ensuring you have a clear record of what you have bought. Although you cannot delete subscription history, some purchases and apps can be hidden from your purchase list. This option is useful for keeping your purchase history tidy. If you wish to hide specific apps, you can do this directly from your purchase list. Remember, while you can manage your visible purchases, subscription records themselves cannot be permanently erased from your Apple ID. This fact is confirmed by Apple community moderators and is important to keep in mind as you manage your account. In summary, while you cannot delete your subscription history, you have effective tools to manage or cancel subscriptions and view your purchase history. Taking control of your subscriptions ensures you stay organized and informed about your spending. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Apple subscriptions more effectively.